Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is Sangeeta and you are watching Sahyajam the Art Zone. Today we shall draw some geometric patterns in an interesting way to practice the lines and curves that we learned in the previous videos. I have provided the links in the I button for those who have missed watching them. Okay, now I have already drawn a square of 12 centimeters and have divided the lines equally. Okay, this is at 6 centimeters. I have put a point. Then this is half of that, 3 centimeters. Okay, now we will connect these center points at 6 centimeters with the method of extension. Hmm? Now this is half of that at 3 centimeters. Now we will connect that with the same method. Okay. Now these two. Now this is the center of the square. We will connect these points and make a triangle. Okay. Connect these 2 points with the center. Now we'll place a ruler like this diagonally passing through the center and we'll mark. Okay. Now we'll make a triangle from this point. Same way here. Now I will be drawing a circle of 3 centimeters radius. From the center I have put a point on these lines at 3 centimeters distance. Okay, now we will join this and make a circle. Now you may connect these lines and form a triangle here. Then I have marked the center points from here like this. If I keep the ruler diagonally, I'll get the center points here. Then you can, and I've also divided this into half, and then I'm now going to connect it. You may form any pattern that comes to your mind while doing this, like I can join these two lines and form a triangle again. You can also divide this into two. And you may join this also. you may try such different patterns with your creativity, maybe inside circle, triangle, anything, any geometric shape, and you may create different shapes. This will basically improve the flow of your hands, and it will be interesting too. Now there's another way to practice lines and circles. Like I have drawn this diagonal lines and marked at 1 centimeter distance on these two lines. Okay. Now what we'll do is we can join them with the method of extension. Like when you do this part, you can take the lines from left to right, and when you do the down part here, you can take from right to left. Similarly, when you do this part, you can come from top to bottom, and when you fill this part, you can go from bottom to top. I'll just show you shortly without taking much time. Yeah, this we took from left to right, and now here we will take from right to left. Now here from top to bottom. And here from bottom to top. Same way here I have put a cross and marked at 1 centimeters. Okay, so you can try drawing circles in this. Alright, now this way you can increase the number of circles and practice circles, and this way you may practice the lines. Okay, please do practice these techniques very patiently in whichever method you liked in today's video. Also post in your suggestions and views in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you liked my videos. Until we meet again in the next video, take care and bye bye.